Air travel feels simple. You pack your bags, check your ticket, and head to the airport expecting everything to go smoothly. But every single day, thousands of travelers lose their belongings at security checkpoints, not because they're doing anything illegal, but because they packed something they didn't realize was restricted. In 2026, the list of confiscated items is more surprising than ever, and some of them are things you probably have in your bag right now. From everyday essentials to unexpected items, these are 15 things TSA is taking at airports that you should never pack if you want to avoid delays, stress, and losing your belongings. Let's start with something almost everyone carries. Number 1, power banks. Portable chargers are extremely common, but high-capacity power banks are one of the most frequently confiscated items at airports. If your device exceeds airline limits, typically around 100 to 160 watt-hours, it may not be allowed. Even worse, many travelers mistakenly pack them in checked luggage where they are strictly prohibited due to fire risk. If security finds one in your suitcase, it will be removed immediately and you won't get it back. Number 2, electric lighters. USB rechargeable lighters have become very popular, but they create confusion at security checkpoints. Some airports allow them in carry-on bags, while others ban them entirely. Their electronic heating elements and batteries raise safety concerns, which means TSA officers often choose to confiscate them rather than take risks. Many travelers only discover this rule when their lighter is taken right out of their bag. Number 3, protein powder. This one surprises a lot of people. Large containers of protein powder can trigger additional screening because they appear suspicious in scanners. If the quantity exceeds about 12 ounces, you may be asked to open the container for testing. If the officers cannot verify it quickly, or if it delays the line, they may simply dispose of it. What seems like a harmless supplement can easily be treated as a potential threat. Number 4, snow globes. It sounds harmless, even innocent, but snow globes contain liquid, and that makes all the difference. If the liquid inside exceeds TSA limits, it will be confiscated, even if it's sealed and newly purchased. Travelers often lose souvenirs at security because they forget that liquid rules still apply. Number 5, cordless hair tools. Items like curling irons and hair straighteners, especially those powered by butane or gas cartridges, are often restricted or completely banned. These tools pose a potential fire hazard, particularly in pressurized aircraft cabins. Many passengers pack them without thinking, only to have them removed during screening. Number 6, multi-tools. Compact multi-tools seem convenient, but many include small blades or sharp edges. Even a tiny knife is enough for a TSA to take the entire tool. From keychain gadgets to Swiss-style tools, anything with a cutting edge is unlikely to pass through security. Number 7, duty-free alcohol. Buying alcohol at the airport feels safe, but it can still be confiscated under certain conditions. If you have a connecting flight and must go through security again, your bottle may be taken unless it is sealed in an approved tamper-evident bag. If it's opened or improperly packed, you could lose it before reaching your destination. Number 8, gel-based products. Hair gels, creams, and certain cosmetics fall under liquid restrictions. Even if they don't look like traditional liquids, TSA treats them the same way. If they exceed the allowed size, they will not pass through. This is one of the most common reasons travelers are stopped at security. Number 9, toy weapons. It doesn't matter if it's plastic or intended for a child. If an item resembles a weapon, it will likely be confiscated. Toy guns, replica grenades, and realistic props are treated seriously because they can cause confusion or panic in an airport environment. Number 10, e-cigarettes in checked bags. Many travelers don't realize that vapes and e-cigarettes are not allowed in checked luggage. They must be carried in your hand luggage due to fire risks associated with lithium batteries. If they are found in checked bags, they may be removed without notice. Number 11, smart luggage with built-in batteries. Modern suitcases often come with built-in power banks, but if the battery cannot be removed, the entire bag may be rejected. Airlines require removable batteries for safety reasons. If yours isn't removable, you may be forced to leave the suitcase behind. Number 12, certain sports equipment. Items like baseball bats, golf clubs, and even some hiking poles are not allowed in carry-on luggage. While they are not dangerous by themselves, they can be used as blunt objects, which makes them restricted in the cabin. Number 13, self-defense items. Pepper spray, stun guns, and similar devices are heavily restricted. In many cases, they are not allowed at all, even in checked luggage. Travelers often carry them for personal safety, but airport security treats them as prohibited weapons. Number 14, oversized liquids disguised as something else. This includes items like canned foods, sauces, or even jars of spreads. People often forget that these are considered liquids or gels. If they exceed the allowed limit, they will be taken, regardless of how they are packaged. Number 15, lithium batteries on their own. Loose lithium batteries are strictly regulated. If they are not properly stored or exceed capacity limits, they can be confiscated immediately. These batteries are considered a serious fire hazard, especially during flights. So why are these items being taken more frequently in 2026? The answer is simple. Safety rules are tightening as technology evolves and risks increase. Airports are handling more passengers than ever before, and security systems are becoming stricter and more advanced. Even small risks are no longer ignored. The reality is that most people don't read the rules carefully. They assume everyday items are safe, and that assumption costs them time, money, and sometimes valuable belongings. TSA officers are not trying to inconvenience travelers, but they are required to enforce regulations consistently. If you want to avoid losing your items, the best strategy is preparation. Always check airline and TSA guidelines before you travel. Pack smart, separate restricted items, and understand the difference between carry-on and checked luggage rules. A few minutes of preparation can save you from unnecessary stress at the airport. Because at the end of the day, it's not about what you pack, it's about what you pack correctly. Travel smarter, stay informed, and make sure the next time you go through airport security, nothing important gets left behind.